Follow these steps to properly care for your Acopa wood serving board. Hand wash your board before first use and immediately after every use. Use warm water, a mild detergent, and a soft cloth. Never use items with hard bristles or steel wool. Do not let the board soak in water. This can cause splintering and warping of the wood. Pat it dry with a paper towel or clean dish towel immediately after washing. Periodically season your board to extend its life and keep it looking new. To season it, first wipe food-grade mineral oil or beeswax over your dry board with a cloth. Make sure to cover the entire surface. Let it set for about an hour until the oil or beeswax is absorbed. Then buff off the excess oil or beeswax with a dry cloth. Store the board in a dry location. Never heat it in the microwave, oven, or stovetop. This may cause splintering. The board is intended for serving uses only. Please do not use it as a cutting board with kitchen cutlery. This may cause permanent scratching. Congratulations! You now know how to care for your Acopa wood serving board properly.